be something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset so.
What's going on, Mixon tonight? So this concludes this chest workout. Now keep in mind, this is going to help increase your shoulder strength and also support deeper breathing. So if you are an endurance person, this will definitely help out with that. I probably should have led off with taking my shirt off in the beginning so you can see the chest muscles being worked, but you get the gist. Anyway, I hope you had a great time working out. Do this 2 more times after this, so it should be a total of 4 sets. But before we leave, let's do a couple of chest stretches before we go. This is the chest stretch. Bring your arms parallel to the ground and bring them back as far as possible. You're gonna hold that for about 15 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. You wanna stretch the triceps. You're gonna do a tricep stretch. Make sure you grab the small of your back and then pull slightly on that elbow to get that tricep getting stretched out there. Also, keep in mind too that I have merch in the description down below. So if you're trying to get some Mixon fitness gear, make sure you go down there and check it out. This is another chest stretch right here. That's the reason why I had a shirt on, because I gotta rock that merch. All right, so you make sure you follow me on IG if you want some more quick short videos. And again, merch is down in the description down below. Catch you later. Peace.